Hello lovely people, how are you all doing? Today I share with you this very simple, easy but yet tasty rice drink. This was made with local spices to give it that indigenous taste and some milk to give it that cream. Let's get into it. So this is washed rice that has been dried nicely. You are going to pour it into your pan under medium to low heat. Then you are going to stir fry this or toast it. It's very important that your heat is not high, because if you toast this under a high heat, your rice is going to burn and it's not going to add a nice taste to the overall results. So please take time, and then you are going to toast this until it becomes nice and brown, just like what you are seeing right now. If you are new here, hello, welcome to my channel. This is Vicky in the kitchen, and over here we prepare recipes that are easy to make in your own kitchen. Consider subscribing. Thank you. So this is where it has gotten to. I'll take it off the heat and then pour it into a bowl. Then we are going to add enough ginger, cloves, grain of celery, and then some pepper. And you add enough water and soak this for an hour. You can also soak it overnight for it to be extra soft so that you can blend it. Mind you, I added more ginger to mine than what you saw, so you can also add it to your taste. Once you are back, you can add it to your blender and then add a little water to this and blend it till it's nice and smooth. If you haven't liked this video already, please do like it. Thank you so much. The next thing we are going to do now is to sieve our blended juice. This step is very important because no matter how powerful your blender is, there'll be some chaff in there that you don't want in your drink. If you don't have a sieve, you can use any clean cloth or a muslin cloth to do the sieving. I'm sieving this twice just to make sure that I am getting rid of as much chaff as possible and will have a silky smooth drink at the end of the day. If you are a returning subscriber, I'm so grateful for your support. Don't forget to keep liking, keep sharing and commenting. I'm so grateful. Now I'm going to mix some milk powder with some evaporated milk and set that aside. You can also use condensed milk and evaporated milk for this. Any type of milk that you have, you can use it to make it creamy. Then I'm going to add enough sugar to taste to my drink, and then I'll stir it very well to combine. You can also use any sweetener that you have and you prefer. Now to the exciting part. Add some ice into a bowl, and then after that you are going to pour your milk into it, and then after that you add the rice mixture to it. Give everything a good stir so that it combines beautifully and you have an even mixture. At this point, you can add in any flavor you want. You can even add some mint, but I chose to leave mine just like this, okay? Now it's time to serve and enjoy your drink. This is best served chilled, okay? You can enjoy it anyhow you like it as well. Now look at how beautiful this is. Are you going to try this recipe? Let me know in the comments section. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel so that you always get posted when I upload a new video. Until then, remember to enjoy cooking, and God loves you and has a great plan for your life. Bye.